Optics and optical components are really key within Teledyne, not only in defense, but across the whole portfolio. For external products, we make optics and optical assemblies.
We have the capabilities in-house to design optics, design mechanical components, then also design optical sub-assemblies that those components and optics will go into.
We have CNC fabrication equipment. We have single point diamond turning. This is the best equipment that money can buy.
We make product that's as designed, if not better than designed.
A lot of it's manufacturing, but really you need to be able to measure what you're building. So we have a huge investment in metrology itself.
We take an immense pride in the products that we manufacture, knowing where they ultimately end up. Every sensor and camera system manufactured by Teledyne FLIR has to have an optic, and we manufacture about 85 to 95% of those domestically.
We have dedicated employees, attention to detail, and that's really the crutch of the success of the organization.
And we're making very specific high-end optics and optical components that go into end-use systems that provide our men and women in the military and special forces and police departments the ability to come home safe every night.